Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Spark Post app to create your selfie and mission statement assignment. So on my iPhone, and this will work for Android as well, I'm just going to tap on the Spark Post app, which will launch to this page. You can sign up for free with an email, or you can sign up or log in with Google or Facebook. I have an account already under my Gmail account, so I'll select Login with Google and Continue. And I will pick my Gmail account that I want it associated with. So I tap on that and allow. Once I do that, it'll take me to the Spark Post page here, which are a bunch of templates, which are fantastic for posters or advertisements, different things that you might want to play around with. But for today, we're going to create our own custom image. So at the bottom of the screen is a plus sign with that green button. I'm going to tap on that green button. And again, I have a lot of options, but I'm going to go straight to my photo library where I have the picture that I took. I took a couple of them just to kind of see which one I liked the best. So I'm going to select all photos and find the image here, tap on it. In the upper right-hand corner is add one. So I'm going to add one. Nice clear image, I hope. Now it cuts off a little bit of my head here because you notice you can resize it to social media posts, Instagram landscape, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. But notice that when I tap on different ones, it kind of highlights or cuts off different pieces of the image. I can tap on the image and move it around. So if I go back to the Instagram post and I just kind of tap and move it down a tiny bit so it's not cutting off my head, I like that. So I think I'm going to stick with that and select Done and the green button on the bottom. You notice that a shape with text pops up right next to me in the negative space. The positive space is the image, the object, the person, which is me, my face. And the negative space is all of the open space that surrounds the positive space. So I'm going to just tap on that, and you can see I can move it around and reshape it and size it and put it where I want. But I'm going to double tap on it, and this is where I'm going to type in my mission statement that I'm asking you to do. Now, I'm a big video producer. I love video and creating video. So one of my popular or most famous phrases is the power of video has the ability to change the world. Now, I say it's famous to me. It's not famous anywhere else, but I like it. You also notice that it did some spell check corrections for me, which I love. That was great. So in the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to hit Done. And now I have my mission statement next to me. Now I don't like the color though. The color is trying to match the weird color in the background, that cream color in the background. So I am going to select and tap on color, and now it gives me some different options to choose from. Oh, I really like that one. Look at that. The blue nearly matches the blue of my pullover sweater, so I like that. So I can just kind of move it around where I want to place it. The green dots in the corner, I can pinch and zoom and just kind of tap on with one finger and make smaller or bigger, stretch out, more narrow. So I'm going to place it right here in the open space on that plain gray background and tap away from it. Look at that. The power of video has the ability to change the world. I like it. And hit then Done in the lower right-hand corner. I could tap on it and decide I want a different shape. There are lots of different shapes you could choose from. Some obviously will look better than others. That one kind of with the rounded edges looks pretty good, so I can hit Done in the bottom right-hand corner and maybe just make it a tiny bit smaller. I don't want it to really butt up or hit my face or my image. I want to really use the negative space to my advantage, and I really like that. There you go. So I'm done. So I'm going to hit Done in the right-hand corner. So now I need to share the image because this is the image you're going to add to Blackboard. So in the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to tap on Share. You see all the different places that you can share it to. I'm going to select Save the Image. Saving the image will save it to my camera roll. And now I can go into Blackboard, Week 1 assignments, the selfie and mission statement, Adobe Spark Post assignment, and I can attach my image to complete that assignment.